Fuck it. Welcome back. Welcome back to eating.
Puss.
Oh, he's done it. Alright, so, we're finally going to turn in this mission.
New power core? Whoa, that looks like it could keep our... As much as I hate new Siberian tech, that core you brought us earlier is nearly burnt up. Why don't you pop it out?
You got it. So this is the core we brought at the beginning of the game. And we have a new one. This core, by the way, makes the shield activated.
Core you found harder than a shiv into a Truxican sternum. Sorry, old Crimson Land saying.
And when we killed Wilhelm, he dropped this Hyperion core. So now we're going to use this to power the shield so we don't get struck by the moon base.
What the hell?
Hey, you know, I think it's finally time to tell you that little secret. Angel's working for me.
Lowering Sanctuary's shields, Jack. Executing phase shift.
That's not a power core.
Raiders, the shield! The shield!
Nicely done, Angel. Now, let's kill ourselves some Vault Hunters. What the hell? Did something just get through the shield? Shields down, Roland! Oh man, somebody start getting everybody underground!
Everybody, I've got a really bad idea. Scooter, get Sanctuary in the air. Roland, get me some Iridium.
Pretty sure we can't do that without killing, I don't know, everyone in the city. It ain't ready to fly, Lily. You got your order, Scooter. Move! Meet me in the center of town, now! I'm gonna need your help real bad!
Alright, I'm coming. Here he is.
Okay, if we cycle the ignition primers, it'll get us somewhere.
You got it. Cycle ignition primers. Trying to get this whole city out of here.
Yeah. Oh, that's kind of
Also, Lilith will be there. She's doing some crazy shit.
Yep. You can tell she's leaning up against a bowling garden.
A lot of people exploding.
Full of pepper.
Well, that's crazy else place.
Oh, okay.
Soldier, I can't get the Iridium to Lilith.
Well, she can teleport, can't she? So.
I don't know where she is right now. She's trying to do something.
Roland, get moving or we're dead.
You got it.
Don't worry about me.
Oh no.
Grab as much iridium as you can carry. Can't
Don't
keep
die,
it from
Roland.
Lilith.
Don't worry about a thing.
Iridium, I need it.
Picking up these Iridium nuggets.
He can't die, he has to be back in precinct.
That doesn't make sense. After this is all opened up now.
Oh wow.
Here you go, Lilith. Stick out your hand. There you go.
Never used
There you
this
go.
much. Might want to hang on to something.
Come on, hang on.
What you gonna do?
What?
Well, she teleported me out of town.
That was an accident. I'll
What
see
if you
on
were
the
just
other side,
blinded
though, I
by that
promise.
purple flash of light? What if that was the rest of the game? You're like, oh shit, I can't see.
Oh,
Man, this is one of them moments. Catch a ride!
Whoa. Is it really doing that much damage? I somehow doubt it.
they're shooting moonshots at it. What do you think?
That's the best you got. A flying city? Boy, get your jumps. Possibly how that makes you think you've got a chance against me. Aside from
Yeah, me.
sucks.
Oh,
What?
and it's gone. So, if you don't know what just happened there,
Yeah.
they got the city to fly.
Right now,
Oh,
but we don't have a lot of time. I'll explain everything. Just get to the fridge. It's the only way to reach the Highlands. I detect Lilith might have phased your city there.
yeah, so basically what just happened there was we got a core from Hyperion. It was a trap.
Yeah.
It was to lower our shields. They started shooting in moonshots at us and trying to destroy the town. But we ended up getting the city to fly. Didn't go very far, but then Lilith used her powers to teleport it away.
Yeah.
And the whole city. And now we're out here.
Yeah.
Also, Handsome Jack thought that Lilith was dead up until that point. So
Oh.
sort of a reveal for him. Anyway.
That'll make him want to try harder to beat him.
Yeah. What's cool though? Well, we'll see it later. Actually, don't you worry about it. We're trying to get back to Sanctuary now, which is now somewhere.
I remember why I wanted to watch your series, your Borderlands Let's Play, and that was because you're saying that you learn a little bit about Angel in the first one.
Just a little bit though, not a lot.
Yeah.
At the very end of the game, you learn something interesting.
Yeah.
Did you? You probably didn't finish the whole series, but
No, I haven't finished it yet.
I can tell you. Not a spoiler, really.
No.
It's kind of, it's if anything, it's a red herring. Well, it's not a red herring, but it's. How can I describe
I love
it?
the way you Vault Hunters just up and trusted
Why am I not-
Angel. Never occurred to you that she was
Fun
working
fact.
for me, did it? I did the same thing to the last
Kind
4
of
Vault
trivial.
Hunters, but I'll be entirely honest. Tricking you guys this time? Way funnier.
It's sort of, it's like a weird thing where it's like. It sort of reveals something, but also kind of might make you believe that it's something else, but it's not that something else, and then you, whatever, we'll find out. It'll all make sense.
Yep.
Knowing how the end of the first game is pretty, how the end of the first game goes is not consequential to this game necessarily. You don't need to know. This game can be played pretty much without knowing anything about the first game.
Yeah.
They summarized it all at the beginning anyway, so. We're going to a place called the Fridge.
The Fridge.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, thanks for taking the bait and grabbing that power cord. It was hard to concentrate on charging the vault key what with Roland's buddies attacking my iridium mines.
Luckily, the Fridge is pretty much the last
You're
like
able to
ice
reconnect with
place
your
that we'll go
friends
to.
after you get through the fridge.
We actually don't know what Angel's true motive is yet.
No.
We thought the whole time that she was working for us, with us, but it turns out she was working for Handsome Jack.
Well, that's what he said.
That's what she said too.
Did she?
But well, then she was like, "Trust me, it's all part of my plan." And you're like, "Oh, I don't know. I guess
It
I'm
turns
wrong."
out she's the bad guy.
Oh.
She wants to get revenge against Hyperion for creating her or something.
Why would they make her the bad guy? Hyperion's the bad guy. Anyway, we'll find out eventually. Don't worry.
Yep.
Don't you worry. No, stop fucking worrying. Well, that didn't work very well. Hold on. There we go. And nice
Neck
slap.
snap, just the solid neck snap.
Wait, hold on. There you go. That's me snapping your neck. Hope you guys enjoyed our little soundscapade. Now the rest of the episode will be in ASMR. Okay. But yeah, that was the big story thing I wanted to show you.
Alright.
You know what? Come on.
So what's the movie that you said was terrible?
Mortal Engines. Mortal Engines is it's actually a film by Peter Jackson produced it and he helped do things on it. It was an adaptation of a book, which is always a good sign. A sarcasm,
We are not
because
son of
it's
a
very, very
bitch.
difficult.
The door's iced over. Let me help you with that.
Son of a witch.
She doesn't swear for some reason.
No.
Well, she always catches herself.
Yeah. She's very polite.
Yeah, I don't know why. Honestly, I've played this game many times. I don't know why she talks like that. I mean, I could probably guess, but.
She doesn't want to be rude. Be
So yeah,
inappropriate.
the thing about adapting novels is it's very difficult because you have to cut out a lot of shit. There are movies that did it well, like the Harry Potter franchise, IMHO. But this was not one of them, because and I actually think that it might have to do with the story itself kind of being bad. Because it starts off the first 15 minutes of the film really, really good. And then it just fucking becomes the most stock standard, predictable, boring, who cares movie. The characters become completely flat and uninteresting. Nothing interesting happens at all. I don't even know. By the way, I'm in this thing right now called the Slaughterhouse.
Yep.
I think Slaughterhouse. This is a optional wave thing where I go and I fight a bunch of enemies. I don't know if I want to do this on camera or not. I mean, I can, But it'll literally just be episode after episode of me just fighting tons and tons of enemies. I get a lot of experience and stuff like that. But what do you think?
No, I don't record it.
Don't record? Okay, I'll do it in my own time then. That is okay.
Yeah, use the timer.
Alright. But yeah, so next time, that's that. There's nothing really to say about Borderlands, and that's kind of the worst thing about that film, is that it is so mediocre and forgettable that there is nothing to say. And that is, in my opinion, the worst kind of film.
Yeah.
Because a terrible film at least has the benefit of you having something to talk about and how terrible it is. Anyway, goodbye.